Hello everyone, welcome back. Here is vanAmsen. We are going to tackle challenge 24 of the 30-day JavaScript LeetCode challenge, Array prototype groupBy. So let's dive right into it. This task is all about enhancing Array with a groupBy method. This function should take an array and a function fn as input and group the array elements into an object. The key of this object will be the return value of the fn function for each element, and the values will be arrays of the elements themselves. So the key to solving this challenge is iterating over the array, applying the function to each element, and then grouping those elements in an object. So let's see this in action. So let result be an object, and for I less than this length, iterate, and let key be fn of this, and if not result in key, we result key new array, and result key push this and return result. So this is our implementation. Hopefully it will work. So what's happening here? We are starting with an empty object result. Then we loop over each element in the array. We get the key by calling the fn function on the element. If the key doesn't exist in our result object yet, we initialize it as an empty array. So yeah. Then we push the element into corresponding array. Finally, we return the result object. So time to test our code. Let's run it. And yeah, here we have it. All three test cases passed. So we will use a few different arrays and functions for this. If our code is correct, as you can see, it's work for this provided implementation. Our array are grouped just as expected. So for example, for this input array of 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10, num string greater than 5, and output is false for up to 5, and if it's greater than 5, then it's true. So yeah, it's work as expected, and let's test it for unseen test cases. And yes, with unseen test cases, it's also passed, and runtime bits 84% and memory 24. So our arrays are grouped just as expected, and that's how you create a groupBy function in JavaScript. If you have any question, or if there is something that wasn't clear, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more coding challenges, and see you next time. Happy coding!